Started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team.
What's up, my sexy welding people from YouTube? This is Captain Money. Welcome back to my channel. I was gone for a month, I know that. I was on vacation, I went to Mexico. I ate a lot of tacos, that's why I have this little belly right here. It was good though. A lot of tacos, a lot of tamales. But I'm back in Phoenix. I'm back home, and we're trying to make this video right now about this vertical welding. That's right. Remember, if you guys are new to my channel or start watching my videos right now, we start with this one right here. It was just beats going left to right, and after that we did this one right here, this fillet, the 2F. So now we're gonna go vertical. We're gonna go up. We're gonna do 6 strings beats, just like over here. We did 3 and then 3, but now we're gonna do it same thing like we did in the last video right here, but we're gonna do it vertical now. All right. So I'm back in Phoenix. I'm gonna be making some videos while I can. I'm gonna be looking for a job at the same time, making videos, looking for jobs. I have some leads already. Captain Money has some leads. I have a friend working in North Dakota, but it's cold over there. But you know, it is what it is. If I don't get anything closer home, might jump over there. I also have another friend that called me in the Pine Line. He's in Iowa. That's closer. But right now, I haven't called him yet. But I'm gonna keep you posted. See what comes out. But meanwhile, we're gonna do this 3F right here, and I'm gonna do 7018, 332nd rod. We're gonna use our powered MIG over here. So let's get started, guys. Welcome back. The heat, it gets up, so it gets hotter and hotter and hotter as you go up. So that's why if you do 81, you're probably gonna be at 85, 86 when you're going up to here. So you don't want to get too hot. So we're gonna do the first beat right here, and like I said before, I'm using a 332nd 7018 rod, and let's see what we can do. All right, so we did our first beat. Alright, so we're going to do the second beat right here, and then the third one over here, and so on and so on. Alright, let's go. So we have our 3 passes. So right now we're going to do 4 right here, and then 5 in the middle, and 6 on the side. Alright, I'm going to go up a little bit, maybe put it at 83, because I think it's cold. That should be good. Alright, let's go. Alright, and last pass, number 6. Alright guys, so we're done with the vertical. We did 1 right here, 2, and 3. We had some undercut right here, maybe a little bit, but looks alright. So this plate, you know, I use this plate to use all the sides. Like this one, it was an old plate that I did some tech first, and then you guys remember we did it over here, the 2F right here. It was a 2F. And then over here we did the beats with 7018, and now we did I did the vertical up, so you guys can use 2 plates right here. You can use all the sizes too. You can, weld this side right here with beads, with TIG wire, then weld the other side, weld this side. You know, if you're practicing, it's a good way to get. Don't waste any plate. When I was in school, I didn't mind, but now that I'm making these videos right now, I don't have that much plate. But alright, my sexy welding people from YouTube, this is today's video. We did a vertical up 6-string wall beats with 718, around 85 amps. Stay tuned for the next video. We're probably gonna be doing an overhead fillet weld. Captain Money's back. We're gonna be doing some more videos. Remember that keep practicing whatever you're doing, either wire, 718, TIG, same thing. You do your 2F, and now we did our 3F. We're gonna do an 4F later on. So just keep welding. Keep as much time as you can under the hood. I hope you guys had a good Christmas, a good New Year, and we're gonna start making this is our first video of the year. This new year, hopefully everything's good. We get some good welding jobs up there, and stay tuned for more videos from Captain Manny. If you like this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe, share it with your friends, and we'll see you next time. Bye.